How to embed a report viewer in a .NET 9 WinForms app. We'll dive right into how you can easily embed the ActiveReports.NET WinForms report viewer into your .NET 9 application. We'll walk you through every step, from setup to loading reports dynamically. All necessary code snippets are available to copy and paste in the blog post linked in the video description. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio 2022 and create a new WinForms project targeting .NET 9. Next, we'll add the ActiveReports NuGet package. Open your Package Manager console and enter install-package space meshius.activereports.viewer.win. Verify the installation succeeded by checking the Toolbox tab for the ActiveReports Viewer control. Now let's add the Viewer control. Drag the ActiveReports Viewer from your toolbox onto your form. Next, set the dock property to Fill to utilize the entire form area. To load a page report at runtime, we use the page report class. Here's how it works in code. Simply specify your report file path, load it, and display it in the viewer. Loading a section report is similar, but uses the section report class. This straightforward approach keeps your reporting flexible and efficient. For cleaner deployments, you can embed reports directly into your app as resources. You can also include some basic logic to account for different report types. First, create a reports folder. Then add the report file and set its build action to embedded resource and load it from your assembly at runtime like this. This method eliminates external file dependencies and simply checks the file extension of the report. It then loads the report using the appropriate method for that report type. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have the powerful ActiveReports.NET viewer integrated seamlessly into your .NET 9 WinForms app. Check out the full blog post and download the sample project linked below. Thanks for watching and happy reporting. For more information, head to developer.meshius.com.